We made it, guys. We made it to #1 on Amazon. Hey y'all, it's Kevin Amalsh, Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. Hey, you found us here on Facebook, you found us here on YouTube. Please do me a favor and hit like, hit subscribe. We're trying to build a channel so we can help more real estate investors. Hey, I wanted to just jump on real quick and express my sheer gratitude to the community for the book launch. I know we pounded you guys with emails, we pounded you with videos and social media posts and podcasts, and look, we made it, guys. We made it to #1 on Amazon. And not only do we make it to #1, I was shooting for maybe #1 in 1 or 2 of the real estate subcategories. We hit #1 in all of real estate. So I am so incredibly proud and grateful for all of you that purchased a book, for all of you that supported me with sending emails or sharing social media posts or videos, and that all of that helped me reach the #1, and I could not have done that without your support. So I just wanted to jump on here real quick and share my gratitude with you. And I guess a takeaway for me here is, look, it's not easy to ask for help. And I asked a lot of people for help, either to help market and get the word out, or to help me by just buying the book. And that's not easy for me to do. And you came through, and you came through big, and you did help me. And I want to give back as much as I can. I always try to give to the community, and I want to do that. So thank you again if you purchase a book. I'm excited to deliver on that bonus package. We're going to provide a ton of value. If you did buy the book and you're up for, I guess, another favor, and you want to leave a 5-star review on Amazon, that'd be a huge help. But either way, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and share my gratitude. So thank you so much for helping us hit #1.